Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link MIDI controller to FL Studio. Okay, so whether you're using a keyboard, pad controller, or any MIDI device, setting it up takes just a couple of minutes. And once it's connected, you can play instruments, control knobs, and bring way more life into your production. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first things first, launch your FL Studio application, which we have in here. Then the next step to do is to plug your MIDI controller into your computer using a USB cable or through MIDI ports if it's an older model. Most modern controllers are plug and play, so your computer should recognize it instantly. And once you're done, just go ahead and open the FL Studio, and at the top menu, go ahead and click on Options, top left. And once you click on Options, select MIDI Settings. Now, this opens the MIDI configuration window where we'll link the controller. In the MIDI Settings window, look under the section called Input. You should see a controller listed here after you have connected your MIDI. So you should see your controller listed here. Now go ahead and click on it and press the enable button on the right. Once it is enabled, a green check mark will appear next to it. Now some controllers have special pre-mapped functions in FL Studio, like AKI Fire or Akai Fire or Novation Launch Key. If your controller is on the list, just go ahead and select it from the controller type drop-down menu. You're going to see controller type from here, so here on the controller type, so just go ahead and select it. If it's not listed, just leave it set to generate controller. It will still work just fine. Now load an instrument to test. For example, add citrus or FL keys in the channel rack, and that's once you're done with this, so just add that to the channel rack by clicking on the plus button and press some keys or pads on your controller. If everything is set up correctly, you should hear sound and see the notes being triggered inside the FL Studio. So here's where it gets fun. You can link any knob, slider, or pad on your controller to controls rather inside FL Studio. And to do this, right-click on the knob or fader in FL Studio, like the volume knob in the mixer, and choose Link to Controller. Then simply twist or move the knob on your MIDI device, and FL Studio will assign it instantly. This is called MIDI Learn. So finally, to avoid redoing this every time, just click Save Current Settings as default button in the MIDI Settings window. This way, every time you open FL Studio, your controller will already be linked and ready to go. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.